Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you, as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
So anybody that is dragging anybody to court will not live to see Biafra. The spirit of Biafra will deal with the person. So if they tell you that they are suing Simon Ekpa to court in Abuja, tell them to go to Ebonyi. I was even surprised. I saw Ebonyi State. I saw Ebonyi State. I saw Hauku. I was surprised because it was the same man, the same criminal kidnapper Ejiofor, who said that Simon Ekpa is not an Igbo man. The same Ejiofor said that Simon Ekpa was paid by the Nigeria government. And I don't know how Nigeria government is going, they are still taking me to the Nigeria court. So why are they wasting their time if Nigeria government actually paid me? But I want you people to understand that these are ignorant people who don't know how this international law works. They don't know it. What I know, my experience, Ejiofor don't have that experience. Whatever I'm doing today, I will stand anywhere in the world, anytime, any day, to defend whatever that comes out of this mouth and my actions. Ejiofor don't know this. What did Ejiofor know? Even in Nigeria, he don't know. He don't know the legal system in Nigeria. Ejiofor don't know it. Because what he have displayed now is the highest expose against himself. So he does not know the legal system in Nigeria. If he know the legal system, he will not be fighting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and then suing me. If he know the legal system, he will not be saying that Abuja don't have jurisdiction and you are filing a case against Simon Ekpa in Abuja. Why Simon Ekpa is not fighting for Abuja? Simon Ekpa is not fighting for Abuja Republic. Simon Ekpa is fighting for Biafra Republic. And our seat at home is not in Abuja. Our seat at home is in Biafra. So if he's actually if he's not just a very stupid man, he would know that he has just exposed himself. And at the same time, fighting against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by proxy, directly and indirectly. Because everything Ejiofor do against me will be used against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I want you people to understand this. That is why it is very dangerous for him to continue to go and meet Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Everything he do today will be used against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And we cannot allow that because there is nothing wrong with what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done for the restoration of Biafra. And there is nothing wrong with what I am doing today for the restoration of Biafra. If we say sit at home, you sit at home because Nigeria is an evil country. Nigeria is evil country that don't value human life. Nigeria is evil country that kills without remorse. So because they have been struggling to end Biafra, when we say sit at home, they use the opportunity to kill people. And they thought we are going to move by that. You will kill us. We will kill you in self-defense. And at the end of the day, Biafra will come. It is not by gun and bullet. We have crossed that line. So I am here now boldly telling whoever Nigeria is sending from Ejiofor and all of them that you cannot do anything. You cannot do nothing. And we will make sure that when the time comes for this Biafra declaration, we will declare it and you are going to be part of it. And I will take you to Biafra court to deal with you in Biafra court. That is if you are still around then. I want people to understand. I don't want to go deep. Well, let me drop it here. Because if I go deep, in this, a lot will happen. So let me not go deep. And one day, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out and see what Ejiofor have done for him, against him, and against Biafrans. I want Ejiofor to answer the allegation against him. One, Ejiofor was part and parcel and the mastermind of the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One. 2, Ejiofor was behind the killing of the Eastern Security Network. The gentle that was killed in his house, Ejiofor masterminded the killing. After the killing, the next day, he went to a meeting, forgetting that somebody he called his PA was just murdered in a very gruesome way. Ejiofor was part of it. If Ejiofor was not part of it, of course, I have made a position on that. 3, the day Gentle was killed in Ejiofor's house, masterminded by Ejiofor and Nigerian security agent. Ejiofor was in a company of a man called Madubugo. Madubugo was ESM commander because he was, I will say. Now he is a kidnapper. He was in a company of Madubugo. And I, Simon Ekpa, was on the phone with Barrister Ejiofor and that same Madubugo in the house when they were monitoring from the screen, from the CCTV, and they killed Gentle. Gentle was burnt in Ejiofor's car. It's a heavy allegation. So why is Ejiofor not reacting to it? 4, Ejiofor controlled less than 500 criminals that was trained and paraded at the back of a police station somewhere. They said only Ejiofor that gives them order. What is Ejiofor giving order to criminals, to armed criminals in Biafra land? What is Ejiofor? What is the order that Ejiofor is giving them? So are they the one who went and killed people during our sit at home? So Ejiofor should come and respond to what I am saying here. The people that you saw that was doing parade at the back of police station, they are under the command of Ejiofor. What is Ejiofor commanding as a lawyer in Nigeria? Commanding people with AK-47. What is Ejiofor doing with them? Ejiofor should come and answer this particular question. 5, Ejiofor is aware that Madubugo, that he is now housing in Abuja and rappelling with in Abuja every day, is the mastermind kidnapper of the Anambra State Commissioner for Public Utility. After they kidnapped the man, the commissioner, they gave him oath and did all the manner of things they did, and they begin to open shop in the man's head. The man begin to give them 10 million, 15 million, 10 million, 15 million, 10 million every time. It's a very heavy allegation. Ejiofor is aware. The last 3 million that they gave Ejiofor during one of the court, that Madubugo came to Abuja with 3 million to give Ejiofor, it came from that particular commissioner. This is a very heavy allegation. Why is Ejiofor not challenging it? Karabaya. He kept quiet. I want you people to understand that insecurity in the southeast is being orchestrated by Ejiofor and his gang of killers. Chinas Onyoshi, Madubugo, and him. Why is Ejiofor not suing me? That. This is one thing Ejiofor should do. Let Ejiofor sue Simon Ekpa to court. Tomorrow night he will write, oh, I have sued Simon Ekpa to Abuja court. Sue me to court. I don't live in Nigeria. I am not a Nigerian. I turned my passport many months ago. Everybody saw it. I'm not a Nigerian. I am fighting for the freedom of my people. I don't recognize Nigeria. I don't recognize Nigeria state. I have absolutely nothing in common with Nigeria state. So if you want to sue me and you don't know what to do, you make consultation. Hire a lawyer in Finland and sue me. That I deformed your character. Hire a lawyer. You have money. Nigeria government can sponsor you. If you lose the case, you pay me. And if I lose the case, I pay you. Hire me. Or hire a lawyer. That is what to do. Come to Finland and fight Simon Ekpa. But let me tell you, you are going to do nothing. I will fight you people. I will fight you. Fight Nigeria. Everybody, I will fight all of you to stand still. I told you people. And all this Nigerian media that have started blackmailing, calling Simon Ekpa terrorists and that, it doesn't move me. Like this, what they call legit or whatever. That one, Simon Ekpa, a terrorist. Giving me a name, a terrorist. You think a terrorist will move me? there are things that, when you are well grounded, it doesn't move you. What qualifies you to call me a terrorist? What is the criteria for somebody to become a terrorist? I want you to know that what is, what qualify. If you are calling me a terrorist, you are equally calling Mazen Nandikane a terrorist.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.